Hey guys, so we're back in my bathroom and you guys probably know what that means. I'm gonna dye my hair again. I already have my towel done. I'm not gonna do the whole trash bag thing again just because, I don't know, don't feel like it. But anyways, so Overtone is what I'm going to be using, and they had a buy one get one 50% off, or no, buy one get one free sale. So I was like, oh my gosh, it's the perfect time to do the indigo hair. So I got a purple and I got a blue. I got the blue for brown hair and the extreme purple. The purple for brown hair wasn't part of it, but I think it'll be okay. For my highlights, I got them redone over the summer, or touched up over the summer, and I wanted like some more like face framing ones, so they've grown out a little bit because it's been a few months still. I'm going to get started. I have my little brush and my little bowl, and we'll just mix it up. So yeah, so it's kind of, I think you just have to mix in both of these together. So yeah, like I said, we have the purple, the extreme purple, and then the blue for brown hair. So I'm hoping I have a freaking meeting for a club that I'm in, and I'm hoping that it won't get washed out because it will be in the ocean. So I'm hoping it won't get washed out, but if it does, I'm hoping that I have extra to save. Let's just get to mixing, I guess. Okay, so I have my hair parted and sectioned off, and I have the stuff mixed, and I put petroleum jelly around my hairline. So let's just get into this. I have better gloves this time too, instead of the stupid ones that I used last time. So hopefully that will help. Hope it won't be as messy. We'll see. Okay, so let's just get started, I guess. How do I want to do this? I don't remember. Did I start front to back or back to front? Or did I just do all of it? I don't know. We're gonna go for it. Okay. I always have to like mentally prep myself. Oh, I forgot. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if this is the kind of content that you are digging. So yeah, I like want to be very, very thorough, but I also don't want to use all of the dye, so I'm like needing to find a happy medium. So I just finished doing all my hair and I have a ton of dye left, so that makes me really happy. But now I'm just gonna put it in a bun. I'm actually gonna go back through once I get it in a bun and go back through and make sure I get like along my hairline and stuff. Okay, so it's in the bone. Hopefully it stays. It's really heavy. I think I'm gonna go, I can't really see the back of my head, but I'm gonna take some dye and make sure that we're getting in there from the back hairline. I'm sure I'm fine, but you never know. I think everything else is okay. Some extra dye just kind of like all over the place. I'm not going to do it as much as I did last time because I have a good amount left that I want to save. So, yeah. Okay, so now I think it says 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm going to do like 30 minutes just to be safe. And I will see you when it's all styled and stuff, most likely. So, I'll see you then. Okay, so, I love it. Hey guys, so I am currently editing this video and I thought I would pop in and mention something because I forgot to mention it in the video. But when I was rinsing the dye out of my hair, it was like really weird. It was like lathering, like there were suds, and then it wasn't coming out. Like some of it was, but most of it wasn't coming out in like how it usually does, like in the water, like it turns the water a different color, like with regular dye, like it did last time when I dyed my hair. So it was like lathering, and then it was like coming off in like chunks of conditioner almost. And I don't know if it's because it's like a coloring conditioner instead of like a regular hair dye. So I don't know, but I thought I would mention that. I mean, the color turned out really good, so, but it was kind of weird. So if you use Overtone for the first time, just be prepared for that. And I don't know, maybe it's because I left it on for longer than they recommended. Maybe it like dried out or something. I don't know, but the end result was good, so yeah, but I thought I would still mention it, so. It's so dark. The only thing is I have a few spots where it wasn't like super, like it didn't take to it very well, but yeah, I have a ton left. I was able to fill up the whole container. So if I need to touch it up, I can. I tried to do blue brows, but it didn't really work. But oh my gosh, I love it so much. So we'll see how it wears, especially since I'm going to be in the ocean on Saturday. It's currently Sunday, by the way. But yeah, and then the ends like took to it more, but that's kind of expected because I think that's like, I'm pretty sure I had most of the blonde from like when I had an ombre and stuff cut out, but I think it's because there's like breakage and split ends and stuff on your ends, because like usually even with my natural hair I feel like my ends are usually lighter. But yeah, I freaking love it. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow me on my socials. They will be in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.